Zuma Lumisonic is a hi-fi speaker and an LED light combined inside a spotlight in your ceiling. Wireless, virtually invisible, and easy to install and use, it frees your home from cables, clutter, and confusing tech. Zuma's compact speaker bathes your home in immersive, crystal-clear sound, bringing audio to life like never before. With a CRI of 90, it creates beautifully vivid lighting. From the app, you can control light, color, and intensity, or set lights to track the sun throughout the day. The Zuma app features well-being settings that introduce mindfulness into your day, aiding relaxation and focus. With Smart Bezel Voice, you can operate Zuma using Alexa voice control.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
To adjust lights or music, just say,
Alexa, play me some music.
Zuma is IP65 rated, so it's safe to use in your bathroom. It's designed to last around 12 to 15 years at full capacity, even in moisture-heavy environments. Experience the future of home sound and light. Simplify your living with Zuma.